The second anime I cosplayed, Hatsune Miku. It is a full costume cosplay, but I don't have Hatsune Miku's shoes. I took this picture by myself. I think I still have the costume. Maybe it's still in my parents' house. I used to listen to a lot of Hatsune Miku's songs. Like when I was doing something else, I will play the playlist and listen to the song. And I also used to watch the Hatsune Miku's dance. Really cute dance. This is Nuka's Christmas costume. I made this costume. Wow, it was 4 years ago. I took this picture by myself. It was hard because I have to set the camera and take my pictures. This one was not bad. And I was wearing her wig. More tributes pictures. I really like tributes. I was just wearing a lingerie. Those pictures are not high quality, very early pictures. Oh, here is a picture of me at the SakuraCon parade. I don't remember why I was meeting the parade. This one was in Seattle. Wow, I can't believe I went to a lot of festivals. Here's the photo shoot I had at the Elkai beach. I was wearing very girly and dolly outfits, and also I was wearing a bikini. It is very cute. It is! Oh, I really like the pictures. Wow, and I was saying, who is Chi calling? Sumomon, Yumi, or Hideki? And right now I want to be Chi again. I think I really like the ones I was holding the cell phone. Very cute, very cute. And here comes Cinnamon. I was really not good at putting on makeup. The makeup was not very good, and I took the picture by myself. It's not professional pictures, and it's very blurry. I don't have the costume. I have this, a t-shirt. I do still have the wig. I think I never cosplayed Cinnamon at a convention. If I have a chance, I want to watch it again. Here's another picture of daily life Chi. I was wearing a Lolita dress and just doing some daily stuff. I think it is very cute. I even cosplay Chi at home. I wanted to be like Chi. A lot of Chi cosplay. And here is just a cat. I went to Seattle Center and it has some pond and fountain. I had some pictures taken there. I was just wearing a bikini and with cat ears. I really like the hairstyle. Do you like it? My hair was a little bit shorter. It's like to my waist, and right now it's really long. I actually really like the hairstyle. My bangs has been long, so I put it on the side. I want to cut my hair like before. It's really cute, really cute. More cat cosplay. This is just me wearing a wig and wearing a cute outfit and wearing cat ears. Oh, this one's cute. Oh. And this picture is the first episode of Chubits. The white bandage around my body. If you watch Chubits, you probably know in the first episode, Hideki finds Chi. And this is the picture of that. Wow. Yeah. I was a lot of skinnier. I was 106 and 105. And right now I put on a lot of pounds. That's Chi's first outfit with bandage all over her body. I love Chubits. I love it. It'll always be my #1 favorite anime, Chubits. It looks like every time I went to the anime convention, I cosplay Chubits. Here is another anime convention I went to, and this one, AikiCon. This is also anime convention in Seattle, but this convention is smaller. It's not like SakuraCon. SakuraCon is a big convention. I went with my ex. One of my ex. Oh, this is the Chibimon. So cute. I was wearing like a pink maid outfit. So she's the Sakura from the Capture Sakura. Sakura is also one of my favorite anime. Here is the Pact. The convention of Pact is now focusing on the anime cosplay. This is like a gaming convention, and I went to there and I was cosplay an anime character. Oh, this one is cute. So those are the pictures from Pact. I cosplay Chubis a lot. Here's the Chubis cosplay in shirt. Do you remember the episodes of Chi wearing Hidaki's shirt? I think is that one? Yes. I need to rewatch it. And this is me wearing a big t-shirt, Hidaki t-shirt. That's cute. Here's another Nuka cosplay. It's a white dress. I made the flower headband. It's really cute. So I took those pictures by myself. And here is some more cat cosplay. I just wear a wig and wear cat ears. What's more? This one is a Hatsune Miku. And I was wearing, it's a kimono costume. This is not her costume. I just thought about this kimono matches the hair. And here is like Harajuku fashion. I think I should not call this cosplay because so this is like a style I was wearing. I still have the pink wig. The top is a Nolita blouse and I made this skirt. I took those pictures at home. Here's a Hatsune Miku kimono version and I made this costume. By then I started to practice sewing. It's really cute. If I don't look at the pictures, I wouldn't remember. I took most pictures by myself. I like this hairstyle. It's time to cut my bangs now. It's getting so long. I really like this hairstyle. Do you like it? More Chubits cosplay. I was wearing very heavy lashes and this is just the normal outfit. It's not a costume. I was just wearing a wig and has a flower headband and my makeup was whoa, too much. I was wearing a choker and I made that choker. And I made this skirt. Those clothes are my very early project. Very early. A lot of pictures. I can talk about for several videos. Oh, is that me? It doesn't look like me. So this is from anime 重病也要谈恋爱. I don't know how to pronounce the English name. I think I made this skirt. I also made the eye patch and the bow. It looks pretty cute. This one is from 魔法少女小圆. I only know the Chinese name. I made this costume, the accessories and hair bow. I took this picture by myself. Did I do this makeup? I used to wear the button lashes. This is not full cosplay. I don't have the shoes. I don't have her weapon. More bunning pictures. I didn't have a good camera to pictures. I was taking the pictures using my phone. It was the front camera of my phone. Quality is really low and it was hard to Photoshop it. And I made this costume, the accessory, and I also made the dress. And I also made the choker. I actually did a lot of chi cosplay in public. I was cosplay at Costco. I don't think I can do that right now. And I was wearing a high heel shoes. It's not a cosplay costume. I was eating samples. Chi shops at Costco. Well, here's another one. Japanese crepes. I was eating Japanese crepes. It makes me hungry now. I don't remember the flavor now. I was eating that. I thought I never had that before. I need to have this again. I want to eat it so badly, like right now. I dressed like Chi and I went shopping. I don't know if they sell this in this state. I didn't see people sell it when I went to the mall. That was my old phone. Can't believe it. I was cosplaying Chubis at the mall in Seattle. I like to window shopping. Yeah, that was in downtown Seattle. So this is when I was wearing a kimono costume. This is like laundry kimono costume. Oh, do you like that hairstyle? Yes, I grew my side bands longer. I kind of want to go back to my old hairstyle. So this is just me wearing a blonde wig. I don't think I can call this cosplay, just me wearing a blonde wig. Sometimes I don't feel like I look good in a blonde wig. I feel like I look better with dark color. It's just me wearing a brown wig. Do you like this hairstyle on me? I never dyed my hair. I think this hairstyle is very cute. Oh, it's cute. I wonder, have you joined any anime club at your school or college? I wonder what they look like. So in my anime club was like, I don't remember which day, but just the one afternoon, all the members were gathered together and watch anime and also eating snacks. I also remember I was living really far from my college because I was living in Eastern Washington and my college was like over 2 hours away from where I live. I remember when I went to the anime convention and I stayed at my friend's house and we will all go together. When I was at the first convention, I was very shy, and I was even too shy to ask for pictures. I'm still a little bit shy talking to people. I still have a lot of cosplay pictures to share with you guys and talk about the story behind the pictures. I can't believe I did so many things in the first 2 years of college. I think I spent more time hanging out with friends than studying. So many stories and so many pictures. Bye! I will see you in future videos